After this online session, we got amazing responses and we had multiple queries. I think one of the queries that people asked is how do I distribute my budget, my digital marketing budget across different activities that we want to do, and we had an elaborated discussion around it. So we will be conducting a specific section which is going to be a 30-minute session. If you are interested to know how do you allocate your budget and how do you calculate the ROI for the allocation that you have. So we'll be conducting a 30-minute session. It's going to be invite only, as in you need to fill up the form, and then based on that we will select a certain set of people who can attend that particular event. But then most of the people who fill up the form will get a chance to attend it, and this is exclusive for the UK because that's how we are distributing zone wise. So please come and look at the activities that we are doing around this particular event.